Daily Journal Explained. Enhance your English skills. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of language learning: understanding the phrase, daily journal. This is especially useful for those who are keen on enhancing their English vocabulary and expression skills. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase together. The term, daily journal, refers to a regular, often daily, record of experiences, thoughts, or observations. This can be in written form or digital. It's a personal space for individuals to express themselves, reflect on their day, or document important events. In language learning, maintaining a daily journal can significantly boost your proficiency and confidence in using English. Keeping a daily journal offers multiple benefits. 1. Improves writing skills. Regular journaling helps enhance your sentence structure, vocabulary, and overall writing style. 2. Enhances vocabulary. As you express different aspects of your day, you naturally learn new words and phrases. 3. Encourages self-reflection. Writing about your day can provide deeper insights into your experiences and emotions. 4. Aids language retention. The act of writing helps in retaining new words and grammatical structures. To make the most of your journaling experience, write regularly. Aim for daily entries, even if they're brief. Be honest and expressive. Your journal is a private space. Feel free to express yourself openly. Incorporate new learnings. Try to use new vocabulary or grammar concepts you've learned. Review regularly. Go back and read your previous entries to track your progress. I hope this video helps you understand the concept and benefits of a daily journal in language learning. Remember, consistency is key. Happy journaling and see you in the next video.